In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple Gmail accounts. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, log in to the Gmail account you use most often. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture or the circular initial icon. This opens the account menu, which is where you'll manage and switch between all of your Gmail accounts. In that menu, choose Add Another Account. This tells Google you want to sign in to a second account without signing out of the first. A new sign-in page will appear. In the email field, type the full email address for the account you want to add. Take a moment to double-check the spelling and any dots or numbers. Errors here will stop the sign-in from working. When you're confident it's correct, click Next. Now enter the password for that account. Keep this private and make sure you're on the official Google sign-in page before typing anything. If you don't remember the password, use the Forgot Password option to recover access before moving on. Depending on your security settings, Google may ask you to confirm you're not a robot, approve a prompt on your phone, enter a code from an authenticator app, or scan a QR code. Complete whichever verification step appears. These checks protect your account and are normal, especially if it's the first time you're adding an account on this device. After verifying, click Next to finish signing in. You'll return to Gmail, and if you click your profile icon again, you'll see both accounts listed. You can switch between them anytime by selecting the one you want. Each account keeps its own inbox, labels, and settings, and the profile menu makes it clear which one you're viewing. To add another Gmail account, simply repeat the same process. Open the profile menu, select Add Another Account, enter the email, click Next, provide the password, complete any verification, and click Next again. Add as many as you need. If you're ever prompted to scan a QR code during setup, follow the on-screen instructions using your phone's Authenticator app. A few quick tips to stay organized. Watch the profile icon in the top right so you always know which account you're using before composing or replying. If you use Gmail on your phone, the flow is very similar. Tap your profile picture and add another account from there. And if you share your computer, consider using separate browser profiles to keep accounts and cookies neatly separated. That's it. Your additional Gmail accounts are now added and ready to use.